Hi everyone, I'm Annalisa with HandsOn Higher Ed, and today we're going to be doing a flip through of my Happy Planner. And be sure to stay till the end of the video to learn how you could win your very own Happy Planner. I am so excited to show you my Happy Planner. I am a freaking planner, which means that I like to put multiple planners into one setting. This is the Classic Deluxe Cover Black Edition. I've had it for about 2 years or so, I want to say, and it's still extremely durable in really great condition. Here is a snap-in pen case. This is the mint and white kind. This is where I like to place my pens, washies, stickers, and so on and so forth. So this is the cover of the Classic Happy Planner Your Best Year. These are purple middle discs, which I purchased separately. This is the pocket folder from the Classic Accessory pack, Homebody, which the Homebody collection till this day is still one of my favorite collections that has ever been released. This planner belongs to me. This is from Your Best Year collection. So this is an overview of 2020 and 2021. This is from the Homebody collection. As well as the year at a glance. This is every single month for 2020 mapped out, which I like to really include important dates and just things for me to remember. So here in this section, this is my to-do list, which I used the headers from the Dream Seeker collection. I absolutely really love this section of my planner because this is where I keep every single thing that I absolutely have to do for work. And so this allows me to kind of jot down anything and everything that's needed, and then I then later on prioritize it separately. So this section over here is for meetings. I personally like to use a classic note paper, which is called Watercolor. Anytime that I'm in a meeting, I use the lined piece of papers to take notes, and then the so much to do sections, this is where I list everything that I absolutely need to do. So once I'm done with a meeting, I typically like to block out 30 minutes if possible so that I can complete the things that I need to do that happened from that meeting. In this section here are the projects. I use the project fill paper, classic size, and this allows me to kind of map out everything that I'm needing to do for work, whether if it's special projects, initiatives, things that I have to work on for the department that I'm currently working in. It just allows me to really organize things. So this is the notes section of my planner. In this area, I have a ton of papers that are just loose. This is an area where I love to write some ideas, jot down some creativity, maybe map out some big picture items, and just allows a space for me to brainstorm. And this section, this is my daily plan, which I use the daily sheets from the Classic. Over here, I use this sheet of paper to write out a lot of the deadlines and tasks that are absolutely needing to be prioritized for the week. And then here I use the daily sheets that I map out my top 3 priorities. I write down my to-do list for the day. And then I also write out my schedule so that I can keep track of how much time I'm spending on what items, like if I'm in meetings and so on and so forth. Here is my monthly plan. This is an area that I absolutely utilize on a monthly basis. This area allows me to kind of write down and jot things that are a priority for that month, and also serves as a reflection piece so that it allows me to see exactly what I did for that month of the year. So for example, during the month of January, I will note everything that I'm working on, from projects to initiatives to important departmental things that I'm needing to accomplish. So then that way, when I plan for January 2021, I'm able to kind of reflect on the things that I worked on during the previous year. So these monthly tabs are from the Happy Planner Your Best Year collection. And so the monthly layout is from the Happy Planner, the Homebody collection, which I absolutely love. And then along with the Homebody collection is the dashboard. And also here part of the Homebody collection is the Classic Half Sheet Note Paper to-do list. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it. And I absolutely love the dashboard layout. Before going into the dashboard, I was all about the vertical layout, but I just love how functional the dashboard is, in my opinion at least. To be honest, I haven't used this part of the half sheet as much, but I'm hoping to think of something to do. So if you have ideas, list them below. And then here is still the best year collection monthly tabs for February and March. Yeah, I typically like to only focus on 3 months at a time when I'm organizing my planner. So I hope you all enjoyed my flip through of my Happy Planner Frankenplanner. Well, I hope you all enjoyed that flip through. As a reminder, everything I mentioned in the video, all the links will be listed below. But then also, here is your chance now to win this Happy Planner. All you have to do is just share this YouTube video on any of your social media platforms and be sure to tag us at HandsOn Higher Ed.